What are all these, or why did the need of faster analytics finally come? So the thing is, like, um, in 2020, the world is expected to reach 45 zettabyte of data. So when we talk about big data, huge data, lots of data, like, how big is actually data going to be? So it's going to reach 45 zettabyte in 2020, says us research. So what happens when you have so much of data to deal with, or when you are having big data to handle? Now, when you have data and it's just lying unused in your data warehouse, it's waste. So now we want that with each data, with the amount of data that we have, we should develop a business out of that data. Then only is that data going to be of some use to us. And when we have so much of data to handle to get it together, we need a faster analytical tool, or we need a tool which can simplify our data, and it can give us a concrete knowledge about what the data is talking about. And Tableau is helping us do exactly that. So Tableau Software is an American software company with its headquarters in Seattle, and it is like, it has a huge product family. So you would have seen, we have Tableau Professionals, which or a Tableau Desktop Professional, rather I should say, which you would be getting when you will start working as in your companies. Tableau Public is the one that I have forwarded the link with you, and we would be working on Tableau Public in around, say, 84 to 90% of the class. And when the 90% of the class is done, you will download your 14 days trial version. So again, it's like a desktop, Tableau Public, you have Tableau Reader, which again you can download it. So at the end of the session, I'll tell you how to download Tableau Reader. And you have server and online, which helps you in managing Tableau server. So Tableau server and online are one, and the little, online is a cheaper version. So you don't have to worry about this. I'm going to deal with all the product families individually. But right now, it's like Tableau has a best product family, which is suitable to different industry verticals. So according to your choice of what is the amount of data you are handling, who is going to be your end user, you can decide the product that you want to actually use in Tableau. So when we talk about data getting big, or by 2020 we are going to reach around 45 zettabyte of data, how big are we imagining this data to be? So this is how big we say that in 2008, if you see this, we were around just 1 zettabyte. But by 2020 we'll reach around 45 zettabyte, and 1 zettabyte is equal to 1 billion terabytes. So it's going to be huge. It's really huge. All right. So now again, the question is, what is Tableau? So few important things here, guys. So all those of you who are making notes can just take down this. Tableau is a business intelligence software that allows anyone to easily connect to data, then visualize and create interactive shareable dashboards. So if I just get my notepad on, so we can just say it as, if we say the word Tableau, what should come into our mind? The first thing is, it can connect to any kind of data. So if your data is it's just a small Excel or a CSV, so, or it's a big data, like you have data in Hive, you have it in Redshift and all those things. So it can handle right from small data to your huge data. That is the reason it is incorporated by right from normal startups to big MNCs. Then the second point about Tableau can be being so useful can be it helps you in having a great I'll not put it as interactive now. It helps us in graphical interface. So when we say about graphical interpretation of data, it is like right from our normal Excel, normal text table to complex visualizations like dual axis and map box integration and all those things, like how complicated you can make your visualization. Tableau supports in that, right? So we can give n number of visualizations to our data, and when the data is given in a graphical manner to us, it gives a better or a meaningful insight of our data. It's easier to understand the data when we have a graphical interface. So imagine the scenario when you're just seeing the data in rows and columns, and suddenly you get a line chart that talks